Hello everyone, my name is Blaine Pearson and I am a graduate instructor in Texas Tech's Personal Financial Planning program. In this video, we will look at how to calculate future value when there is an ongoing contribution. For those who have watched the first video, we examined how to calculate the future value of a time value of money problem when there is a lump sum contribution. Today, we're going to examine a situation where the client wishes to make ongoing contributions. Using the example from the last video, Sarah has $100,000. Now Sarah plans on making ongoing contributions of $10,000 annually. She wants to know how much she will have in 15 years if she can earn 6% on her investment. The end variable is our time variable, which simply is the 15 years. She wants to know how much she will have in 15 years. The IY is the interest rate. The PV is the present value, which is negative $100,000. Again, we want to make sure the present value is entered as a negative because this is money that is leaving or coming out. The future value will be positive, so it's money we will receive in the future. And in order for that to be positive, your present value will need to be negative. The part that we're going to add is the PMT, or the payment amount. Sarah plans to make contributions of $10,000. So her payment amount is $10,000. Now, much like with present value, this is money that she is contributing. So she is separating from the money. She is contributing that money and it is leaving her. So in order for the future value to be positive, the PMT amount would need to be a negative. Sarah wants to know how much she'll have in the future if she has $100,000 today and will make ongoing contributions of $10,000 annually. So this is a future value problem, much like the last video. So let's input our variables into our calculator. Our end variable, or our time variable, is 15. Our interest rate is 6, or our IY. The PV, the present value, the money she will have today, is negative $100,000. We saw in the last video that if we hit compute and future value, it'll tell us how much we will have in the future, assuming there are no ongoing contributions. However, in this problem, Sarah wants to know if she continues to make contributions of $10,000 annually, how much will this future value be? In order to find that, we can enter $10,000 negative into the PMT amount. From there, we hit compute, future value. We now have our future value amount. This amount tells us the amount she will have in the future under these given set of assumptions. For those following in Excel, we can go to the Formulas tab at the very top and insert function. We can type in future value, and we want to look for the FV, which tells us the amount she will have in the future based on these given set of assumptions. So the rate is this variable here, and much like the last video, we got to divide this by 100, otherwise Excel will read that as 600%. The N, the number of periods, is 15. What has changed in this Excel is the payment amount. She now is making regular contributions of negative $10,000. The present value, or the money she has today, is negative $100,000. As you can see, whether you're using Excel or the calculator, the future value of this problem is $472,415. Again, this is Blaine Pearson, and today we looked at how to calculate the future value when there is an ongoing contribution. Thank you for watching.